right, let's get on that first drop. Low tide too, we should be able to scrape the barnacles a little bit. The current's coming this way, so I'm gonna go over here. There he is. Fish on. I don't think it's big though. Mangrove, what? Yeah. Was not expecting to see him. Little mangrove snapper. Check him out. He's probably 10 inches. Let's get a little measurement on him. All right, so you see from the head to the tail, we're sitting at about 12 inches. That's a keeper right there. Little mangrove snapper. They're usually not here that early. He's a 12 inch, and Florida gotta be 10 inch to keep, so we're gonna throw him in the fish bag. Hey, there's a school of mangrove over here. Another one. A little smaller. All right, second fish. That was instant right there. Little gray snapper, mangrove snapper. Check them out, pretty colors, guys. We're gonna let him go. Little baby. Oh. Boy, Joe's on a beast. Oh. It's getting them. You're getting them out. I think you got them. Pile on you. Trying to think how I could help. Oh, that was a good one. That's got to do something right there. All right, if there is any fish sheephead in the area, we should find them right here. Ton of barnacles just got dropped. There he is. Oh, that's a big drum. Oh. Big drum.
On what?
Oh, the shrimp. I got him out of the structure, I think. Let's go this way. So I bought the Hobie to get out of the structure. That's it. Now we're out, we can loosen you a little bit. Oh, come on. Oh, you're good. He's running. Oh. It's okay. Keep reeling. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna loosen my drag a little. I don't want to pop him. Now we got him in the middle. He's big, dude. He's big, big. Big, big fish, guys. Big, big fish. Might be my biggest fish from the kayak right here. Just running me. I'm just gonna catch up to him. Hell, oh, there he is. Either a black drum or a redfish. Just going in circles with him. Oh, he's running it though. All right, big fish. First nice fish on the kayak other than a gar. Oh, he's turning around, turning around. Fat redfish, dude. Yeah. Woo! First big fish on the kayak, other than a gar. Oh yeah, that's a bull right there. All right, woo! Look at that. Yes, my first grand slate. Look at that thing. That's what's up. Beautiful, beautiful bull red. Oh, going a little crazy. It's got to be like 40 inches, probably 35. Beautiful fish. Let's get them back in the water though. All right, well, we're gonna get that release on this big bull. Bridge monster in my kayak. think he got one. Sheephead? You want a bump board? All right, got a slot red up there. Wanna hold him up real quick? Just get on video. I didn't get the fight, guys, but there's the nice slot red fish. All right, so my chest cam was off, but look at this beautiful gag grouper's color pattern. He's a baby. Beautiful guy. We're gonna let him go. And there he goes. Can I see that scraper real quick? Let's see, let's get some fired up. Oh, crap. As soon as I put my pole in the holder, it just took off. Oh. Yeah, another red. All right, yeah, I'll get in a sec. It's gonna be a minute. He's gonna be pretty big, I think. I got some if you want them. They're in my thing. Oh, come on, no. He's gonna get it off. We're going this way, bud. We're going this way. No. Slot. Woo! Ugh. All right. Perfect slot. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful redfish. Let's get him on the bump board, check his measurements. Sitting right at 26. So that is a slot red here in Florida. Slot red, guys, check that out, 26 inches. We're gonna probably keep him for dinner. Hold him up real quick to this. All right, got another one. That's pretty close. We can give him the bump board, we'll check it out. Nice bull red, guys. 30, all right. Got a 30-inch red. Nose first, keeps him alive.
For life, I'm living it. Really out here getting it. On the ocean, owning it.